In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix missing taskbar icon in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if your taskbar icons are not working, it's not responding, or even the search start nothing is working, then how we can fix it. So the first and foremost step for all the time which we requirely need to move to the task manager. So if this is happening, you cannot move it. So for that, we need to press a key from the keyboard. That is all about it called Control, Shift and Escape. So when you press this, as you can see, the task manager will pop up. So you have to go over here. Now go to the search here at the top, and here you have to search here for Explorer. Just wait here. So once you get into the Explorer, you have to right click and go for restart. After the restart is done, you have to check. Next one is all about you have to go over here, search here for the settings, and what you need to do is you have to click on the settings. Now from here, you need to go to the personalization, and from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the taskbar. Now from here you have to scroll it down over here, and from here you can see there is an option called taskbar behavior. What you need to do is you have to click on or expand this, and over here make sure that you uncheck this called automatically hide the taskbar, and also over here you have to go to campaign taskbar button and hide labels. This should be always over here like this. So first change this to never, then just wait for hardly 10 to 20 seconds, then you have to change it back to always, right? So what happens, this is actually doing a refresh kind of thing that might work in most cases, so that is why I'm saying you can try this out. Next one is all about what we need to do is you can just close this over here. Now go to the run command over here, you can search here for the run command and press enter. Now you need to type %local app data and just go for OK. So that is going to take care of this, and from here you have to go to view at the top. First you have to go to view and click on the show and make sure the hidden item is selected. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to at the bottom over here. You have to scroll it down. Now you'll be find something here called icon cache. So keep scrolling down, something here called icon cache. You have to delete it, then you have to restart the PC and you have to check. Next one is all about, as you can see, sometimes the icons might not be moving. So if that is the case, you can just switch it back. You have to move it from right to left, or just change the location of the icons, and that might work. Last and the least step, you have to go over here, search here for the CMD, click on run as administrator, then just wait. So you have to run this as an administrator, and once you run this as an administrator, that is very, very important. So just go over here. Let me do it once again. Right click over here, right on this, and run as administrator. Go for yes, and once you get into this, you have to type here as you just need to go over here. Sorry, let me close this. Need to type here SFC, put a space / scan now, and you have to press enter. So this is going to completely do a scan on a computer. This is going to take a lot of time. Keep in mind that once you're done with this one, most probably that's going to help you guys out. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.